Observe very carefully what they are asking here. Which of the following statements is not correct for an object moving along a straight path in an accelerated motion? So, moving along a straight path, they are saying. So, as we know that if the object is, let me imagine any kind of object, some X object is moving along a straight path in an accelerated motion. So, which is not correct, they are asking. So, you observe if it is an accelerated motion means, is it the speed is changing or not changing continuously? Is the speed is changing or not changing? First point.
Speed will
Is
change.
the speed is changing. Next one. So, if the speed is changing, velocity changes or not? Always.
Velocity also
Yes,
changes.
sir.
Its velocity also will changes. Next. So if the acceleration is increasing means in the sense of the force should be applied or not. Unless until the force is not applied, so the body cannot move forward. Is it yes or no? Yes.
Yes, sir.
If it, three statements are correct regarding on it, so now they are not mentioning about the particular direction, either it is going vertically or horizontal. They are saying some straight line, either like this or like this. They are not talking. Do you understand, all of you? So that is why. So it always goes away from the earth. We cannot say. So that is the wrong answer. So the answer for the first question is what? What is the
C,
answer?
sir.
Question?
C.
Sir.
Do you understand, all of you? Clear? That is what you have to. Next, second question. Elamukil, Darun, are you there? Elamukil not at joined. Monish, listen. Next, Lakshay is joined. Sai, Lakshay is not joined. Okay, Alana. Next, according to the third law of motion, action and reaction. Answer this question, anybody? According to the
Option
third law of
D, sir. Always act
You-
on
you tell me
different
first,
bodies in opposite
how many
direction.
bodies should be there? Third law means how many bodies? Two bodies first. It should be two bodies. Is it yes or no? So, for example, if
Yes, sir.
this is the body one, car one, if you'll consider, and this is the car two. If you'll consider the car two, now this car will act the force on this, and this car will exert the force on this. So, means in the sense of what? Always we need two bodies to act the third law of motion. According to the third law of motion, action and reaction. What is the answer? Action, reaction are
Act on different
B,
bodies
sir,
in
B.
opposite direction.
different bodies and as well as
In
opposite.
opposite direction.
That is what you have to remember. Opposite direction. Always, all of you should remember. Always, even while I am teaching, also I have taught you. Newton's third law of motion acts on to different bodies and as well as it is in opposite direction to each other. Are you guys understand? Sai, Shruti? That is. Next
Sir.
question. Third question. So, our goalkeepers in a game of football pulls his hands backwards after holding the ball short at the goal. So this enables the goalkeepers to, what will happen? Enables the goalkeepers to
Increase the rate of change of
the
momentum.
ball, reduce the force exerted by the ball on the handles, increase the rate of change of momentum, or decrease the rate of change of momentum. Decrease the rate of change of momentum. Have you remembered? If a person is standing here who is catching, suppose a goalkeeper, his hands will keep on going backward, because if the hands are keep on going backwards, time is keep on increasing. Is it yes or no? Time keep on increasing. So if the time keep on increasing, what will happen, Pradosh? Momentum will be keep on decreasing. Momentum is equals to mass into velocity. Is it yes or no? Solra. So if the time, if he's taking the hands backward
Yes,
direction,
sir.
then the momentum will decreases. So that is the reason why we used to, even the cricket players, they will once they will catch the ball, why they will push the hands backwards? Because to increase the time and decrease the momentum. What is that? Decrease the momentum. I understand, all of you? Tell me. That is
Yes,
your
sir.
number. But if you
Sir.
will answer, reduce the force exerted by the balls on the hands. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? But we are not talking about the force. When the body is in motion, which possesses what? When the body is in motion, which will possess what? Momentum. Is it yes or no? Nobody will answer, because momentum is equals to what?
Sir.
To velocity. So when the body is in motion,
Mass.
it will always possess momentum. So momentum equals to mass into velocity. So when the time keep on increases, when you will push the hands backward direction, what will happen, Laksha, Dharan? What will happen? It will decreases the Elamokil, understand Elamokil? Decrease the rate of change of velocity. Sorry, decrease the rate of change of momentum. That is what you have to remember. That is the third question answer. Next, fourth question. The inertia of an object tends to cause the object. What is happening? The inertia of an object tends to cause the object. What is that? The inertia, man. Inertia means what? What do you mean by inertia? The body is in rest, remains in state of rest. The body is in motion, remains in state of motion. Correct or not? So what is that? The inertia of an object to cause the object to resist
Sir, to resist any change in
State of motion, sir.
Very good. That is what I want. You have to respond. The body which is in rest remains unless it is external force is acting. It is remains in state of rest. It is in motion, remains in state of motion. So a inertia which will oppose the force of state of rest or state of motion. That is why we can say resist any change in its state of motion. Are you guys clear? Any doubt?
No, sir.
Yes or no? Ask me. Elamakil, Alana, Maitrayan. That is because next week I will prepare very hard and numericals I will include. Let me see by the time. Next, a passenger in a moving train tosses a coin which falls behind him. Tosses a coin which falls behind him. It means that motion of the train is
accelerated, sir.
Accelerated, uniform, retarded along circular track. Anybody? Along circular track, not. Along circular track means like this the train is. It is not possible because by the time the coin will fall aside. Is it yes or no?
Yes, sir.
No.
Yes,
That
sir.
is now retarded. Retarded means the train is going to be reduce the slow down the speed. So if it is slow down the speed, then what will happen? Coin cannot go backward because the person
sir.
here you can see if it is speed is decreasing, the coin will fall. Now, accelerated, sudden jerk. If it is uniform also, we won't feel any change because slowly, uniformly it is keep on going. Now, suddenly accelerated, what will happen? Suddenly accelerated, then people will fall backward direction. Is it yes or no? Yes or no? So that is what
Yes,
reason.
sir.
So it will fall behind. So behind it will falls because of acceleration. Understand? That is the answer. What is the answer for fifth question? Acceleration.
Yes, sir. Acceleration.
Acceleration. That is you have to remember it. Next question. An object of mass 2 kg is sliding with a constant velocity of 4 meter per second. 4 meter per second on a frictionless horizontal table. The force required to keep the object moving with the same velocity is. Calculate it and tell me fast. Force they are asked. Let me see who will say. What is the answer? Answer. Anybody?
8 newtons.
Observe very
8
carefully.
newtons, sir.
What is the Tamil Selvan? How it is 0? Sai, how you are saying Tura? Bad fellow. It is moving with a constant velocity. Constant velocity. Observe the force required to keep the object moving with the same velocity. Same velocity is they are asking. Force, man. If it is moving with a constant velocity, what is the force? Acceleration is equals to 0. Is it yes or no?
No, sir.
It's a what? Constant velocity. No force is acting on it. Is it yes or no? Just it is sliding, man. Nothing is there. So this is the sliding. So object is just sliding like this. So here no external force is acting. So what is the force? Force equals to how much? It is moving with a constant. That is what you have to remember. It is moving with a constant velocity.
Constant.
Force is equals to what? Force is equals to kilonewtons. Please remember.
Newton.
Understand, Laksha? Maitrayan? Everybody, because it is moving sliding. An object of mass 2 kg is sliding with a constant velocity of 4 meter per second on a frictionless horizontal table. No friction is there. That is you have to remember. Friction is zero. So the force required to keep the object moving with the same velocity without friction is zero, because friction is already zero. Do you understand, Ra? That is what the point you have to understand. So what is the friction here? Frictionless, they are saying. So frictionless means friction is equals to zero. Is it yes or no, Ra? Tell me, yaar.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What is happening? The body which is in motion, continuously it will be motion. So no external force is required. So force is equals to what, Ra? Force is equals to what?
8 newtons.
Are you clear? Any doubt? Anybody ask me? Frictionless, zero friction. So body will move with the same constant velocity. So that the no external force is required. So force is equals to zero. That's all. Sixth question. Now seventh question. Rocket works on the principle of conservation of
Momentum.
Momentum. That is you have to remember. Next, a water tanker filled up to, actually here not 23 ra, 2 by 3. Sorry for that. 2 by 3 of its height. How much right is? 2 by 3 of its height, moving with a uniform speed. On a sudden application of brakes, the water in the tank would be, what will happen? A water tanker filled up to a 2 by 3 of its height is moving with a uniform speed. Uniform speed. On a sudden application of brakes, the water in the tank would be, suppose see, this is the tank. All of you, do you understand, Ra?
Move forward, sir.
Sai, Purinjicha, Sai. Sai,
Will
Purinjicha.
move forward.
Move.
Sir,
Yeah, let me see. Like person. So, if the person is already in motion in a bus, suddenly bus will apply brakes. We will fall forward direction. Purinjichara? Yes or no?
Sir.
The person is standing in a stationary position. Suddenly the bus will start. What will happen? People will fall backward direction.
Backward.
Same way now, water is filling in the tank, water tank. Now, suddenly it has been applied in brakes. By the sudden application of brake, water tank. So see, it is filling, suddenly apply brake. So what will happen? It will move forward direction. Put in the chat. When it is suddenly started, again what? Backward direction. So what is the answer for this, Shruti? Shruti, what is the answer?
Forward.
Move
Forward.
You guys understand? Same way like the person. Suddenly apply brakes. It will move forward direction. Suddenly starts. What will happen? Suddenly start increasing. It will move backward direction. That is you have to remember. Understand, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Darun, everybody respond me. You have to because very, very important. Yeah. Now that CBSE is a new pattern, everything is going to change. Shruti, what happened? You are very silent. Laksha. Next question. If the mass of a body is doubled, and velocity becomes half, then the linear momentum of the body will be momentum they are asking. So mass become 1 by 2. Observe very carefully. Initial case m is equals to m. Now v is equals to v. m is equals to m1. Now case 2, m2 is equals to m1 by 2, and v2 is equals to 2v1. So now what is the linear momentum they are asking? Please check it and tell me. Anybody? Tell me, Ra. First let me take, for example, initial case, my m1 is equals to m1. My mass equals to m1, v1 equals to v1. So what is the momentum, Ra? What is the momentum? Solunga, p1 equals to what? p1 equals to what?
M1 into V1, sir.
M1 into V1.
Purinjicha, this is clear. Any doubt? Anybody? Laksha? Please tell me.
No, sir.
Now, case 2, p2 is equals to what is the formula? m2 into v2.
M2 into V2.
m2 equals to what? m2 equals to what? m2 equals to m1 by 2 into v2 equals to what? v2 equals to what? 2v1. Now 2 will get cancelled. Remains what? m1 v1.
M1 V1.
So now both are same or different?
sir,
Same,
same, sir.
sir.
Same.
Here, this is the most important question. So initial case, can I teach again, Shruti? Alana, Darun, are you understand this?
No need, sir. Understand.
Yeah. Shruti, okay. Darun, are you understand this question, Darun? Nothing. Can I? Okay, one second. I will teach. Observe very carefully. Initial case, let me assume the mass of the body is how much? 1 kg. Understand what? So let me solve now. All of you observe very carefully. You guys can understand. With the values, I will say. Then you people can understand more nice. So now, let me take, I have given to the Monish 1 kg mass body. So initial case, momentum P1 equals to. So mass is equals to, I have given 1 kg and velocity is also 1 meter per second. Okay, Monish, what is the momentum here? Momentum is equals to what?
1 kilometer meter per second.
Okay, Ra, Maitrayan, P is equals to M into V. Now, case 2, P2 is equals to, they are saying that M become half. Half means what? By 2.
1 by 2.
And V becomes, understand, V become double, means in the sense of what? 2 into V1. That is what you have to remember. Now, what is a P2? Can you able to say? M1 equals to what? 1, means 1 by 2 kg into V2 equals to what? 2 into V1. V1 equals to how much, Ra? 1.
1.
Meter per second. So now you do it, all of you. 2 into 2, 2 will get cancelled. 1 into 1, how much? Again, 1 kilogram.
1 kilometer meter per second.
Both values same or different? Darun?
Same, sir.
That's all. So what is the answer? Remains same. Understand, Pradosh?
Yes, sir.
Understand, Maitrayan, Sai? That is.
Yes, sir.
Forces acting simultaneously on a body bring about a change in its state of rest or of uniform motion in a straight line. So then these forces acting on the body are said to be balanced or equal forces or unbalanced forces or opposite forces. Anybody?
Unbalanced forces, sir.
Now think a little bit more carefully and tell me, when a number of forces acting simultaneously on a body bring about a change in its state of rest or state of uniform motion in a straight line. So then these forces acting on the body are said to be. What is the answer? This answer also I have given wrong.
Opposite forces, sir.
Yeah. Not opposite forces, unbalanced forces only, correct answer. Please note it down, because when the unbalanced forces only, we can create a change of state of rest or change of state of motion. So those who kept answer C for this, that is also correct answer. Okay, Ra? Please
Sir,
verify.
I kept it in only, sir. So that only I said it.
So it's state of rest, uniform motion. So only by using unbalanced forces only, we people can bring a change in its state of rest or state of motion. So unbalanced forces is correct. Next, this question: when a car at high speed makes a sharp turn, the driver in a car tends to get thrown to the side opposite to the turn. This is due to what?
Inertia of motion.
Due to what, Ra? Anybody?
Option A, inertia of motion.
Inertia of motion. Very good. Because of due to inertia of motion. All of you others also, nobody is answering. Because suppose see, he is traveling in the car. Now it is straight road. Now suddenly he will comes into the deep turn. Deep turn means in the sense of he will be in a straight road only. Its motion is in a till straight road. Suddenly it will turn to the left side. Then he will falls to the right side. Suddenly he will turns in the right side. He will falls to the left side. Purinji, all of you, tell me, Ra.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Due to the inertia of motion. All of you should remember that. Next, a man is standing in a boat in still water. If he walks towards the shore, then the boat will move backward or forward or away from it. Anybody? You can see that
Sir,
not
due to third law of motion, option A is the
From
correct
the
answer.
person is in boat.
away
Option
from
A, sir.
The person is in boat. So when he is moving to try to move forward, jump towards the shore.
Away from
Go what?
sir.
It will go. It will go what?
Backward.
Move Away from the shore.
Option A.
Understand? That is you have to remember. Understand, Tamil Selvan? Next, which of the following is incorrect statement? Let me see who will answer. Incorrect statement. Here only you people have been done mistakes. A ball is thrown vertically upward in a train. Oh, sorry, this is correct. Which of the following is an incorrect statement? Mass is measure of inertia of a body. Is it yes or no? Incorrect there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Correct,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
The
Yes,
mass
sir.
is equals to inertia.
Sir.
That is we are calling. Understanding? More mass, more inertia.
More inertia. Directly proportional, sir.
First law of motion is the law of inertia. That is
Law
the
of inertia. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
forces produce
Constant velocity. Yes, sir.
Sir, that is wrong, sir.
The opposite direction, sir.
talks about the direction of the force.
Opposite direction.
That's correct. This is only the wrong. Understand, Ra? Unbalanced forces produces not constant velocity, variable velocity. What is that?
Variable
Variable
velocity.
velocity.
Variable velocity. You understand, Ra? So, and Newton's law always talk about direction only, correct or not? How it is acting towards the right or towards the left. Understand, Ra? Body 1 and body 2. So, this is also correct. What is the wrong answer? Wrong answer is option C. What is that? Option C. Okay.
Option C.
That is next 14th question. A ball is thrown vertically upward in a train moving with a uniform velocity. Uniform velocity. So the ball will be uniform. Uniform means what? Constant velocity. So constant means what is the Pradosh? Pradosh, Monish, Elamokil, anybody? Maitreya.
Sir, acceleration is same,
Zero
sir.
means
Acceleration is zero. Uniform velocity. Constant velocity A
Yes,
equals
sir.
to zero.
Zero, sir.
0 meter per second.
Never fall
And it will return back to the thrower, sir.
Never fall left side or right side. Only it will come again back into the same hands. Chandra. So returns back
Yes, sir.
Sir.
only because the uniform velocity. Understand? Uniform velocity means no
Sir.
fluctuations, no jerks and all. So that ball returns back to the thrower. Understand all of you? C is the correct answer. Understand, Sai?
Yes, sir.
Continuously increasing acceleration falls behind. Understand? Decreasing acceleration falls in front of.
Frontward.
Falls in front of. That is suddenly it turns. That is we have to remember. So C is the correct answer. Next 15th question. Who will answer? 15th question. Anybody? Read the question. Laksha, Samaya, Manya, Shrutilaya. 15th question, please.
Which of the following is not an application
Not an
of
application of conservation of linear momentum. You will remember, you can understand. Very, very nice. Elamaki, only. Answer, please. Which of the following is not an application? Not an application. Who will answer? While firing a bullet, the gun must be held tight to the shoulder. It is the application only. Recoil velocity. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
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 Yes, sir.
It is correct only.
recoil velocity.
Next, when a man jumps from the boat to the shore, it is also law of conservation of linear momentum only.
Yes, sir.
He will move forward direction, the boat will move backward
Boat
direction.
move backward
Backward
direction.
direction.
And everywhere linear momentum is there. Next, a rocket explodes, not moving. Rocket is flying, is under water. Is under Newton's law of motion, but it is exploding. It is not under the Newton's law or law of
Yes, sir.
conservation of momentum. That is you have to remember it. So rocket can fly off. It is Newton's law of motion, but a rocket explodes. Explodes means blasting. It is on midway of the ground. It is not the Newton's law of motion or conservation of linear momentum. Next one, a body suspended from the hook of a spring, balanced in a lift which is accelerated downward direction. Yes, it is true only. Do you understand? So when you lift the book, whatever it is, when you are a little bit anything object we are carrying away from the ground. So what is acceleration? Acceleration is acting towards the always what? Towards the ground only. Correct or not?
Ground only, sir.
Yes, sir.
G equals to what? 9.8 meter per second square. Correct or not? So always it is acting towards to the downwards only. So this is also correct. So which is the wrong one? Which is the wrong one? A rocket
sir.
explodes on a
E1.
ground. That is what you have to remember. Understand, Laksha? That is because when any object, sir, why can't D? Any object, if you will keep on taking away from the ground, then what is the force, Ra? It is acting towards the ground only. Correct or not? Yes or no? And also, every second,
Yes, sir.
on increasing the velocity of 9.8 meter per second for every second. So 9.8 acceleration equals to 9.8 meter per second square. That is the 15th question. Now coming to the 16th question. When we stop pedaling, the bicycle begins to slow down. This is because of the
Friction. Because of friction, sir.
Because of friction, sir.
Those who kept one by one will discuss the answer. So for this also I have maybe given wrong answer because I've been followed the key. That is why. So some wrong answers may be there. So now let us comes to here. What is that? Frictional force acting along the direction of motion of a bicycle. No, frictional force always acting what? Opposite direction.
Opposite direction, sir.
Option A is wrong.
Opposite direction.
Sai, option A is wrong because opposite direction. 1 minute. Screen share is stopped. It has been closed because of some reason. You guys wait. Oh, it has been not saved here. Okay, no issues. So now 16th question. So when we stop pedaling, the bicycle begins to slow down because of what? What is the reason? So frictional force acting along the knot. Opposite means it is correct. Next, air resistance which is in the direction of motion. No. Direction of same direction means it is not a resistance. Correct or not?
Sir.
Yes or no? That is also wrong. So B is also not correct. Next, C. Frictional force acting opposite to the direction of motion.
Bicycle by road.
Yes, that is. So nature of the bicycles to stop.
Yes, sir.
No. Option C. is the
Also wrong.
correct. So please modify it. Somebody, those who kept option C, it is correct answer. Okay, da?
Okay, sir.
No, because frictional force is acting which direction? Elamukela, I think you kept option
Opposite direction, sir.
opposite to direction to the direction of motion. So the direction of bicycle. So that is why it is option C. Elamukil, your answer is correct. I think correct. Elamukil, Monish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, no
Yes,
issues.
sir.
Yeah, okay. Some answers may be wrong, so that is you don't care it. I think no issues. Okay, but you learn the concept. That is what I want. Next, question number 17. Inertia is the property of a body by virtue of which it can be changed by itself. Tamil Selvan will answer. Inertia is the property of a body. Inertia of a property of it which cannot change by itself. What? By change of state of rest, steady the state of uniform motion, or direction of motion, or all of this. So you can see what is inertia, law of inertia. The body which is in rest, state of rest,
Rest, sir.
rest,
Sir,
state of motion,
direction of motion, sir.
and remains which direction? Straight line. What is that?
Straight
That is-
direction.
You forgot this. Straight line, always in straight line only. Uniform motion in a straight line. So what is the correct answer? All of this. Very good, Laksha. So correct answer is what? All of this.
All of these.
Understand? That is you have to remember. Clear? All of you, any doubt? So anything. Understand, Ra? Next, 18th
Yes,
question.
sir.
It does not come to rest immediately after crossing the winning line. So he cannot stop immediately after crossing winning line. Suppose athlete is coming by running. So once he crossed this winning line, he cannot stop. After that also they will travel some distance. Why it is? Why?
Inertia of motion.
Due to
Inertia of motion.
Motion of
Inertia of motion.
sir.
Understand, Ra? That is inertia
Yes,
of
sir.
motion.
Inertia of motion.
Motion. So still it will take certain time to fall. Suppose suddenly he will try to stop. He will fall down. Is it yes or no? That is also
Yes, sir.
Remember. Next, here the question is A plus B by AC. Next one, I will write it here. First option, A plus B by AC. Next, second option, A plus C divided by BC. Sorry, B plus C. Next, third option, AC divided by B plus C. Next, fourth option, AB divided by B plus C. So let me see who will answer. First. Yeah. A bullet of mass
First one, sir.
and velocity B is fired into a wooden block of mass C. So, if the bullet gets embedded in the wooden block, then the magnitude of velocity of the system just after the collision they are asking. So, after the collision means what we have to do? We have to add the mass of bullet plus mass of wooden block. Purinjicha? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Mass of bullet is what? A. So A is
A.
mass of bullet and mass of wooden block is what? Mass of
C.
wooden block is what? C. So that is divided by. So what it will come? What will come?
Velocity.
Velocity of what?
B.
Velocity
B.
of what? There are
B.
then the magnitude of velocity of the system just after collision means recoil velocity they are asking. So recoil velocity means what will happen? M1 V1 which is equals to what? M2 V2.
M2 V2.
So now
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
initially velocity is 0. So now we want to find recoil velocity. What is the recoil velocity formula, Pradosh? Recoil
Sir,
velocity.
momentum of bullet is equal to momentum of gun.
Recoil velocity formula. V2 is equals to M1 V1 divided by next one what will come? M2. Is it yes or no?
M2.
Yes, sir.
It's equal to V2, sir.
Velocity. Now here it is embedded into the wooden block. So wooden block initial velocity is 0. So we won't consider that. So once it is embedded, so mass of bullet plus mass of wooden block is added. So A and C where it is added? A and C where it is added? This is. Understand, Ra? A and C it is added. A plus C. Next. Once the bullet is embedded in the wooden block, then the magnitude of velocity of the system just after the collision will be. So once after, next what is there? Velocity of the system and velocity of the wooden block because bullet is embedded inside it. So what is the answer? Anybody? Clearly how to say. Which option is correct?
B, sir.
Option?
B, sir. B.
Option A.
B by
Option A, how it will come? It is mass of bullet plus mass and velocity is fired. They are saying a bullet of mass A and velocity is B. They are saying this is velocity. So let us write neatly. We will write here. So what is the mass of bullet? Please tell me. Mass of bullet is A. Purinjicha. Tell
Yes,
me.
sir.
Next, velocity of bullet is how much? Velocity of bullet is how much? B. Okay. Next, mass of wooden block is how much? C. Yes or no?
B, sir.
Yes, sir.
Once the wooden block, if you will fire, bullet will come and will stuck here. So what is the mass? New mass is equals to what? M1 plus M2.
M plus.
M1 plus M2. So M1 is equals to what? A plus M2 is equals to what? C. So this is
C.
pakka. This is pakka. Now in this case, what is the formula? Yeah? Formula you tell me. Yeah? What is the velocity, recoil velocity of the gun? Which is equals to what? M1 V1. Tell me. Yeah? Firing. Before firing, that is 0. So what will happen? M1 V1 plus M2 V2, which is equals to after M2 V2. Is it yes or no? M2 means in the sense of M2 M V1. Sorry, here wait 1 minute. Sorry. So after firing, bullet and wooden block both will travel with the same velocity. Correct? Yes, sir.
Sir.
That is why we will consider M and this is V. Okay. So now what is the formula? Tell me. What is the formula? Here V1 is equals to V1 equals to B, V2 equals to 0. So that is we won't consider. So this will be got. So what is the formula? M1 V1, which is equals to what? Which is equals to what? MV. So now we want V. So M1 equals to what? Substitute the formula. V equals to what? M1 V1 divided by M. So substitute the formula. M1 equals to what? A. V1 equals to what? B divided by
B.
M equals to what? M equals to what?
A plus C.
Plus
A plus.
A
Which
plus
option is correct? AB divided by A plus C. Which option is correct? Sorry, AB divided by
D, sir.
D, sir.
divided by A plus C. No option is there, correct?
D option.
B option.
B option is inverted.
I have written that only, sir.
Reverse. So the correct answer is not in this. So here you will take reverse. It is AC divided by A plus C. This is what. So when you get like these questions, you have to solve in this method. This is, we know that. Have you remembered? Yes or no formula? If you want, you can do.
Sir,
Understand all of you, because I will write once again. You can check. What is the momentum before firing? M1 V1 plus M2 V2, which is equals to what? M1 U1 plus M2 V2. Is it yes or no?
Sir.
Now V1 V2 after firing, so both will become V, and M1 plus M2 both will become M. So both will turns into what? M into V. Is it yes or no? M into V, which
yes,
is
sir.
now initial velocity of wood, it is 0. So 0 means it is equals to what? This full term is gone. So now
0, sir.
U1 is equals to what? B. Is it yes or no? M is equals to what? M is equals to what? A. So
A.
A next